NFTs, non-fungible tokens, became one of the biggest stories in all of crypto last year in 2021. But so far in 2022, it looks like the NFT market is kind of losing steam. The NFT global sales, which stood at a record over $4.62 billion in January, just a few months ago of 2022, that figure slumped to about $2.99 billion in February and fell even further all the way to $2.44 billion in March. And by April 17th, the global sales were at only $1.21 billion. NFT sales, yes, are down, but they're not out. In fact, the number of sales have increased for the first time in the last 3 months, from just under 16,000 in March to over 31,900 in April of 2022. And this could very much mean that the NFT market is ready to return to a growth stage. And if so, it's because the NFT industry is intertwined with really some of the biggest and fastest growing industries in the digital space, things like gaming, the metaverse, of course, and Web3, things that we talk about on a pretty regular basis. And so there's lots to look forward to, which means that if you missed the ride on the last NFT wave, this could be the perfect opportunity for you to invest in some NFTs. But are you buying your NFTs in the right places? That's the question. Of course, a little bit of knowledge and some caution is a very good thing in the crypto space. And that, of course, is where we endeavor to help you guys out in your crypto journey. So in this video, stay tuned. We are counting down the top 5 NFT marketplaces that you must absolutely know about. Welcome, my name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto investment research company. We have documented many 100x returns on coins and tokens that are top projects today, really before anyone else was even talking about them. And if you want to see our detailed process for researching such projects, then our new and improved Altcoin Buzz Access Group is for you. Our plans start at $99 monthly. Be sure to click the link below for more information. We always and very genuinely wish you guys the best of luck and the best of prosperity, the best that fortune has to offer if you do choose to invest. But just bear in mind that any kind of investment does have corresponding risk, whether or not we're talking about crypto, because of course, there's also risk in traditional stocks, Wall Street, you name it. And just keep in mind that we're expressing our opinions in these videos. None of this should be considered official financial or investment advice. And just before we get into it, it should be noted that we're going to be talking about our 5 favorite NFT marketplaces today. But if you're not aware, there's been really a major shift in terms of some of the standings, in terms of some of these NFT platforms. They've been reorganized almost like a deck of cards that's been reshuffled. It's been pretty intense. For example, if you check out the top 10 NFT marketplaces ranked on the basis of sales volume, 7 of them are built on the very fast and rather cheap blockchains like Polygon, Flow, Wax, BSC, and Solana. And this means that even though a majority of users trade NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, a shift towards alternative blockchains has already taken place and is very much observable. But with that context in mind, let's launch right into our list. And our number 1 NFT marketplace is OpenSea. This was the first NFT marketplace really to go viral. In 2017, for example, it launched its beta version, so it's been around for several years already, but not really until October 2019 did OpenSea reach 10,000 traders on Ethereum. And at present, over 1.5 million traders use OpenSea. That's also because of the fact that in Q3 and Q4 of last year, 2021, OpenSea integrated Polygon to support lost cost and high-speed NFT minting. In fact, overall, 87% of total volume in the whole sector is executed in OpenSea, believe it or not. And if you need a super simple guide that could very well help you out, check out this article on altcoinbuzz.io. We'll link to it in the description below. But which NFT collections specifically had tremendous success? Well, here's one I'm sure you've heard of, Bored Ape Yacht Club. They currently have 10,000 NFTs and 64% of those, so 6,400 have an owner with 462,000 Ethereum in trading volume. And then similarly, as you probably know, there's Mutant Ape Yacht Club with 18,400 NFTs, 65% of which have an owner with 284,000 Ether in trading volume. But look, although we may be painting a rosy picture, everything is not perfect on this platform. OpenSea had a phishing scandal recently, which gave the entire NFT sector kind of an emotional shock. But to be fair, the platform seems to have fixed this problem with a collection verification process. OpenSea offers a lot, there's no doubt about it. There's really something for everybody depending on the type of NFT that they're interested in, that they'd want to collect in the first place. We're talking about art, different collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility items, and even virtual worlds. And interestingly, OpenSea is the first cross-chain NFT marketplace that didn't charge any fees for NFT designers to sell them. OpenSea has even partnered with Cointracker, a leading crypto tax offering platform, to help many NFT designers with their tax problems and various needs. And OpenSea even gives users a pretty nifty royalty option. You may not have known this, but when you upload any NFT into the marketplace, you can establish a 2.5% income revenue with a 2.5% fee for every progressive sale. And OpenSea has also integrated with Solana's blockchain, so users are going to be able to quickly trade their NFTs with very low fees. As with all things, this started out in a beta version, but seems to be coming along, and we feel that there's a lot of potential here. All right, moving along to NFT marketplace number 2, we are considering LooksRare. So according to DApp Radar, the platform here has more than 46,000 traders at present, with a total trading volume of $18.19 billion in NFTs. LooksRare really rapidly climbed up the ranking ladder and is strongly competing against OpenSea for its market share. And that's mainly because it rewards its users with Looks, LOOKS, the native token of LooksRare, for buying and selling. Also, staked Looks tokens earn WETH and more Looks from trading fees. There's more to it than that, however, because users can also stake Looks tokens with a 200% APR and have access to instant royalties as well. And if you guys are more interested perhaps in a direct head-to-head comparison between OpenSea and LooksRare, then you're going to want to check out this video. We talked about the two platforms in the context of NFTs. This was published back on February 6th, so a couple months ago. According to the total trading volume of the platform, here are the best NFT collections. There's Terraforms, so 3 million ETH, with a total supply of 9,992 NFTs, where only 22% currently have an owner. And then we have Meebits, 2.8 million ETH, with a total supply of almost 20,000 NFTs, where only 30,000 have an owner. Something else that works in the favor of LooksRare is that the trading fees are 20% lower than OpenSea. That makes a big difference. You can see an example here. Also, this NFT marketplace lets users bid on a whole collection all at once, which is a very cool feature for NFT designers. And additionally, LooksRare has a bounty program in conjunction with ImmuneFi. It's going to let smart contracts be more secure by preventing the loss of NFTs and corresponding funds. So depending on the type of vulnerability that you may want to consider, people can be rewarded from $1,000 all the way to $1 million. Moreover, LooksRare supports HTML and JS NFTs in order to prioritize security and privacy by adding a tracking pixel to track malicious behavior in NFTs. And at the time of this recording, Looks, again LOOKS, is trading at about $1.57, down today, but that's along with the rest of the market. And the project has a market cap of about $384 million with a 24-hour trading volume of about 87 million. And you can buy this one on Uniswap, Huobi Global, FTX, and OKX. Next up, and at number 3 on our list, we have NFTrade. This is another rapidly growing NFT marketplace that seems to have integrated maximum number of blockchains because it supports Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Ethereum, and Binance with 0 transaction fees. Yeah, 0. NFTrade is the first cross-chain NFT platform where anyone can create, buy, sell, swap, farm, and even leverage NFTs. I mentioned creating. So anyone can create fully decentralized NFTs or collections with drag and drop features. It's made to be very simple. Trading is also simplified because NFTrade has an intuitive user interface where you can buy and sell NFTs with those supported chains. You can also swap NFTs in a peer-to-peer mechanism that makes them very secure. And in its marketplace shown here, you're going to find hundreds of collections from its supported blockchains. In each NFT, you're going to find information about things like description, collection, asset, and blockchain details, properties, and even the history of transactions. And with the NFTtrade Marketplace, cross-chain traceability is going to be that much easier as well. Another very important feature of NFTtrade is the farms. In them, you can buy an NFT by first staking tokens in any NFT farm, and once you reach the number of tokens you need to buy an NFT, you can claim your tokens from the NFT farm and directly buy them. Here's an example. Moreover, NFTtrade has a launchpad that provides a robust infrastructure for new projects to leverage the strength of the community. And NFTtrade just announced a pretty major partnership with GameFi, so users are going to be able to, as a result, transfer NFTs between NFTtrade and GameFi marketplaces, which is definitely going to add value to NFTtrade NFTs, in our opinion. In addition, NFTtrade has partnered with the BNB Chain Fund to boost NFT adoption. And another great partnership here for NFTtrade is the one with Nitro Network, because with this alliance, NFTtrade will open an NFT farm, which will allow Nitro's native token holders to stake and get exclusive NFTs. The NFT Marketplace has its native token that's called NFTD. And its use case for owners is the following. So first of all, you have governance, where you can vote for new proposals like new features, attributes, other things like that. You also have big discounts on transaction fees, plus more benefits because NFTD holders can have more staking and farming rewards. And you also get access to exclusive NFT launches. So NFTD holders will have exclusive drops, launches, and giveaways. And at the time of filming this video, the price of NFTD sits at about 55 cents US with a market cap of about, well, just under $11.5 million. So still relatively small, pretty good opportunity, not financial advice, but if you like this project, you could potentially get in here at a very early stage. And you can buy NFTD in Pangolin, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Gate.io, and MEXC Global. As a reminder, guys, if you sign up with MEXC using the link in our description, you're going to get $124 worth in rewards, and that includes a 1-month free membership with Altcoin Buzz Access Pro. That is worth $99. At NFT Marketplace number 4, we have the Enjin NFT Marketplace, which is one of the platforms right now with the highest growth that we've seen. 10.3 million ENJ, which is its native token, were spent on NFTs, and more than 3.2 million NFTs were traded. We're talking sports collectibles, music tracks, gaming assets, and digital art. All of these things can be traded in this NFT marketplace. And what makes Enjin's NFT Marketplace a great platform is that you can trade the NFTs you earned playing in play-to-earn games, among other projects like Microsoft, Binance, and even CoinMarketCap. And nowadays, there are almost 17,000 NFTs on sale where you can see the transaction history and, by the way, the ranking between all NFTs. It's also important to note that Efinity, the first parachain of its kind on Polkadot, is partnering with leading P2E games like CryptoBlades. Plus, another pretty cool use case of Enjin's NFT is that you can use them in My Meta GTA. So if you imagine it, it's kind of like stealing NFTs from another person playing GTA, which is pretty amazing. But what we like about this platform at a macro level is the fact that Enjin is building a next generation NFT marketplace with instant and free transactions that support cutting edge smart contracts. Expect this to be released later this year. And finally, NFT Marketplace number 5 that we are considering today, last but not least, Crypto.com. And these guys are hosting some very famous creators such as Aston Martin F1, Snoop Dogg, UFC, and other big names as well. In fact, the top collectibles quickly reached $1 million. There are a lot of NFT drops that keep happening, that keep evolving on the platform. And you may have heard about the fact that Crypto.com has also developed an NFT collection with LeBron James. Not to mention the UFC, which has dropped a very exclusive NFT collection on the platform as well. And this NFT marketplace is now available on the Crypto.com app. And with this integration, users can discover, collect, and trade NFTs on their phones, which is a major advantage. And so to celebrate it, Crypto.com has launched an NFT giveaway of a Paul Leo 1000. And in addition, the NFT marketplace added Bored Ape and the Sandbox NFTs in its whitelist. With this new feature, users can deposit their ETH-based NFTs with no listing fees. Another great NFT collection is from the Philadelphia 76ers, an NBA team that I'm sure many of you are probably fans of out there. And so altogether, you have to consider the fact that these are some pretty big names and some pretty big brands, given that the platform really is just about a year old. At the time of filming this video, CRO, which is the native token of Crypto.com, which has had some ups and downs over these last few months, it's currently trading at just over 39 cents US with a market cap of about 9.8, just under $9.9 billion, with 24-hour trading volume of about $49.6 million. It's a token that supports a platform we are very much fans of, and their NFT marketplace is attracting some very prestigious NFT collections, really from all kinds of different sectors. And while nobody can see the future, we expect the number of quality collectors' items to keep growing. So, after analyzing these 5 NFT marketplaces, we think that you probably should keep an eye on them due to their potential, if nothing else, because the NFT sector is really just starting to take off. You can maybe say that we're now entering into chapter 2, but the future is very bright, and we're sure that there will be many positive developments in that future that you're gonna wanna be a part of. Guys, if you're still watching this video, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Never financial advice, but all the very best of luck if you choose to invest. Check out these other couple of videos that should be popping up right about now. Have a great start to your week, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. A great Monday. Take care of yourselves, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video.